After Cyclone Winston, the UNICEF Pacific staff here in Suva have been working with our partner ministries, especially health and education, on what are the post-cyclone needs, and with the provision to us of the list of priority supplies, we contacted our global supply division in Copenhagen, Denmark, to check what they had as contingency stock in their warehouse. We first, of course, exhausted the supplies that we had pre-positioned here in Suva, and then we chartered a plane to bring other supplies from Copenhagen. So this plane that arrived today had 100 tons of humanitarian relief items for education and maternal and child health.
Relief supply that has come in today is a great help in terms of starting the other schools that are at the moment not open. We're looking at their classes resuming either on Thursday or Friday. So we found in their possession there was school in the box, which so this actually literally this is a box which has got a set of 40 sets of stationery. So each box consists of stationery for 40 students. So we were able to deploy that quickly to these schools that we started. Now in this consignment we also have school in the box, which is my feeling is it's kind of more than enough with the other NGOs coming in to support us with stationery.